today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test your network connectivity for potential issues on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the system launcher, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, go down and select where it says About ChromeOS. And then on the right side, underneath Diagnostics, test your battery, CPU, memory, connectivity, and more. Select that. And then select the connectivity tab on the left side here. This is going to run a test on your network settings up here, making sure everything's working properly. And hopefully it will, and it should pass everything. If not, it should give you troubleshooting steps on how to resolve it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.